Hey, Creative Chrissy here. So I'll make this short. It is New Year's Day 2020. So I'm making some resolutions and doing things that I like to do on New Year's Day, so more days will follow. Today, well, right now, I'm taking a lovely bath because I love baths and I don't take enough and they're so relaxing. I'm reading my favorite author, Agatha Christie, having my mascara and just relaxing. So my resolution is to lose weight or declutter my brain, my body, my finances, and my house. And I'm going to be following along with Peter Walsh. I don't know if you've ever seen his YouTube. He's awesome. He's doing a 31-day challenge, but a different kind this time. He's doing it in categories, which I really love. So you definitely must go check that out. So today was just to walk around, look at your clutter, and just kind of semi-classify it. Don't touch it, just kind of categorize it. So that's what I did. So for the rest of the day, I'm going to enjoy a long, luxurious bath, read my Agatha Christie Murder on the Orient Express, have some wine, and then have a delicious pork and sauerkraut dinner with my husband. And for other purposes, please say a little prayer for my friend Roberta, who was just diagnosed with pancreatic cancer and is going to have her pancreas removed at the end of this month. So many prayers I'm sure she would appreciate. Love you guys, and let's make this a wonderful 2020 of organizing and just life. Later.